Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So if you're like me that is having this particular issue and you want to solve it and get back to working on your site, I'm going to give you a quick fix to this particular issue. This might not be a permanent fix though, but it's going to let you continue editing your website. So now what you're going to do is just to come to any part here. If you are not going to do it on this side of your website, so we are going to come to this part that is still loading. Just click on any side within this area. Just click on right click. You're going to right click on it and it's going to bring up this for you, and just click on inspect. Or you can just do, if you're using Windows, you can do Ctrl+Shift+I. It's going to bring this out for you. So that's the same, is going the same shortcut. Either you do inspect, then you see it here. So now once it comes out this way, what you're going to just do is to come here and select this, pick your selector and hover on this place. Make sure you are selected this particular, make sure this loader, not here. You are not going to click on the pin itself. Just select, come here, and it's going to select the whole of that particular line. It should be some showing the way my is showing here. So now once you click on it, it's going to automatically select, you see the place, is going to select that particular section for you to navigate to where that section is. So once you are here, the next thing you're going to do, once this place is selected, you're just going to click on delete on your system. Just on your keyboard, just click delete. So once you click on delete, you can see that's gone off now. So you can now start working on your website the way you can select your tools the way you want it and make use of any tools you want to make use of. So that is quickly the quick fix way I normally fix this whenever I encounter such. So instead of me start waiting for it to, which might not even finish stop loading, just use this way and remove it and get back to working on your site. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.